Hello guys and welcome back to another video. It looks like you guys have an interest in edit waves and some sort of analysis that you probably haven't seen before, I would say, if we take into account as well the scam that exists around YouTube and around cryptocurrencies. So I appreciate your support with your likes, with your subscription. The truth is that sometimes, guys, the projections I do here really come into play or take place quite quickly. So I would recommend that you subscribe and you turn your notifications on, making sure that you don't lose any of those opportunities, you don't miss any of those opportunities. Now, in today's video, Elliott Waves on cryptos, I want to focus on Bancor, okay? Because Bancor, uh, well, they did a correction like last week or so, and we are now moving up. And it looks like to me that there is a little bit more space to move on the upside, okay, before we see a rejection. Now, as always, I'm working on a logarithmic chart, right? So how I want to start, I want to start by, well, from down zero with my extension here to understand where exactly we went when it comes to, well, wave one and wave two. Okay, as you can see, we did pretty much the 261 extension over here for that wave, right? So if we assume that we're going to have a repeated pattern, we need then to grab wave two and that top and that low, and voila. If we're going to have a repeated pattern, we're going to see prices getting to 7.6 before we see a correction lower. But, and pay attention to my but, yeah, it could be a case where we are gonna head all the way up to take out this channel, okay? Because this is our aggression channel. If at the moment we are bullish, right? And we will remain bullish. Actually, we are bullish even down here, to be honest, because we're still moving with an upside bias. Now, the thing is, guys, I think it would be best if we start drawing some waves here to understand what exactly we're looking at with that structure and what our opportunities perhaps could be. Okay, so since we're on the 12-hour chart, I'm gonna go on the intermediate degree, right? This degree is the, let's say, medium to long-term degree, okay? We had an obvious ABC correction over here, right? And over here we'll have 1, 2, it looks like a 3, 4, and a 5, okay? And that is in wave 3 internally. So that we'll have to go one lower degree down, yeah? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Internally we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. Well, it's okay, we don't need really to see all of them. I'm just showing you what we have: corrections on the downside and impulses on the upside. Okay, so obviously the other correction over here is very clear as well, ABC. Yeah, so it's a three-wave move. The ABC is a 5-3-5 structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what it means, 5-3-5. Okay, just for the record, for those who are interested. Now over here we have another move to the upside that is looking like it is the latest move. Okay, so we've got 1, we've got 2. It's possible that we've had 3 and 4, and we're going to see 5. 5 can be anywhere between 7.6 and even perhaps up to 12, but I'll be looking at 10.4 as a resistance as well. Okay, so let's just place that here. Let's let's really look what we have here though. Okay, these guys, you might turn around and say that, oi, why don't we have wave 3 over here? Because this is impulsive and we're going to break as with previous charts. Because guys, if you see wave 4 and wave 1 interact here, okay, which means, yeah, that area over here, okay, all of this, which means this is not an impulsive move on the upside. It's not an impulse. It's a motive wave. So in my opinion, it could be a leading diagonal. A leading diagonal, although it's not really looking diagonal because there is no symmetry in this, there's no particular symmetry for a diagonal. However, it's very possible that we have that because over here we are penetrating wave one. Now, what a leading diagonal means, guys, it means that we're going to have that leading diagonal in this pattern. Then we're going to get 3, 4, and 5, right? For Bancor. So that's going to be the primary, right? Now, can you imagine that all of this is wave one, a leading diagonal? Now, when we have leading diagonals, guys, this indicates, yeah, that the third wave is going to be very impulsive, okay? So we'll be looking at a potentially very big level, okay? And just to be frank, yeah, let's just say that we'll do that over here. And let's just say we even go down like 70% after that high, right? To $5. We're looking at wave three. Well, yeah, if it's going to be very extended, well, 25, 36, even up to 55. I don't want to go too high, okay? And then you tell me, oh, this is crazy, it's not going to get there. I'm just going to tell you this is what I'm seeing, yeah? This is not investment advice, it's just a projection. And as I said before, this assumes that we've ended up, we're going to end this wave up at $12 and we're going to go down to 5 or so, okay? Well, another estimate is that, you know, we have to use this as an expansion tool instead, okay? So in that case, even in that case, we're going to go to 31. Let's say a minimum of 24, guys, a minimum, a duplication. But as I said before, a leading diagonal as wave one, yeah, means that we're going to see a very impulsive move on the upside. Now, internally, we've got another leading diagonal in here. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously, structurally speaking, it looks more like diagonal than the bigger wave, but it doesn't matter. What it really shows is that, guys, we've had, yeah, we've had this 1 and 2 over here. Actually, let me delete this. What really matters is we're going to see that where this leading diagonal took us, yeah? So that was the leading diagonal. You can see wave 3 did the 4 to 3 extension, and wave 5 is heading higher, guys, okay? Now, this, we're talking about an internal structure, by the way, right? So we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over here. And that is in a lower degree minute, okay? This is what we're looking here. So we did the 4, 2, 3 extension. If we apply, yeah, since the market showed us, gave us that sort of, allows us to project that, respecting this particular relationship in the internal structure, because markets move fracturally, yeah, we could see the 4, 2, 3 again, okay? Well, I think we've got a quite good video for the day, guys. I don't want to keep you any longer. I would assume, as I said before, that we are going in wave 5 very shortly. So anywhere up to 10 or 12 also. I know it could be duplication, literally, but if you look at this, just draw your chart, guys. Look at when price will start reaching this level up here, this trend line, and then I would potentially look to liquidate a little bit of my coins up there. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, guys, show your appreciation and also subscribe. It's a bit embarrassing to see the analytics, to be honest, and to see that only 10% of the people who watch the videos are subscribers. So please subscribe, guys. It doesn't take much effort, and certainly is going to help you anyway. And if you turn notifications on, as I said before, you're going to be benefiting more from this channel. So we will speak again tomorrow. I'm not sure which altcoin I'm going to cover, but it probably is something that at least is interesting, not only from a fundamental point of view and generally speaking technical, but also that is reaching an important level. Okay? Cheers for watching, and bye.